In this video, we'll explain you which steps you should follow to get a visa. This is Leo. He's 18, from Ecuador, and has just graduated from high school. For his studies, Leo wants to go out into the world. So he applied for Lancaster University Leipzig in Germany. He received an unconditional offer letter and accepted it. Now he can start thinking about his visa. Does he actually need one? He checks the website of the Federal Foreign Office in Germany. There he sees he indeed needs a student visa. So he already makes an appointment for a visa interview at the closest German consulate in Ecuador. In the meantime, he checks the website of the German consulate to see what documents he needs to bring to that visa interview. The first thing they require is the evidence of acceptance into the chosen university. It's the letter of acceptance that the university will send once he makes the deposit. One more thing he definitely needs is the evidence of academic and English qualifications. These are the documents he already submitted to the university to get the unconditional offer letter. The next thing listed is something he does not have yet, but a very important one: sufficient evidence of financial means. Normally this is the blocked bank account. So now he has to open a German blocked bank account with an international provider and deposit the required amount on it. Besides that, there are a few specific documents for Ecuador students listed on the website of the consulate. He puts them all together into one folder. Now the day has come. It's time for the visa interview at the German consulate. Leo goes there with all his documents. They have a look and ask him a few questions about his motivation to study in Germany. After that appointment, the embassy sends his documents to the Foreigners Authority in Germany for review. Now it's a matter of waiting. It can take up to some weeks or even months until the Foreigners Authority in Germany approves his student visa. And Leo read that there is no chance to speed up that process, not even for the university. So he keeps being patient. Finally, the German consulate gets back to Leo. They approve his visa. What a relief! Now Leo can book his flights on the very first day his visa is valid and travel to Germany. He's finally in Leipzig, with a valid visa, ready to kick off his studies at Lancaster University Leipzig.